Aegis, Advanced Ground Information Systems, makers of LifeRing software. LifeRing puts a command operations center in the palm of your hand.
LifeRing now features 3D mapping capabilities. I'm going to zoom on Kiev in the Ukraine. When I'm at the level I want, I'm going to go to my map menu and click the 3D button. Now I see Kiev from above with the buildings outlined differently and showing some depth. If I click and hold the Control key on my keyboard, I can tilt the map to the perspective, and now I see the cityscape with full dimensions. I can zoom in and pan the map to move around and get an accurate depiction of the city and its buildings and its streets. To see some terrain elevation, I'm going to go down to Crimea. Again, I select the 3D option. I can see the elevation changes from the coast into the city with some buildings with some mountains in the background. Inland here I can see a dam that shows the 3D from the lake above to the gorge below. I'm going to move back to the US, to Utah, and I see a city with low-rise houses at the foot of a steep mountain range. Now I'm going to pan over to the coast of Hong Kong, and I see the city from above as well as some commercial air traffic. When I tilt down the perspective, I see the planes at their actual representative altitude to the ground. I can pan back and forth and see all the air traffic in that area. Now I can zoom in and see the dense cityscape with its many high-rises. I can get all the way down to the street level and move in between the buildings. I also get a clear depiction of the mountainous regions inland from the city and the various elevation changes, giving me a detailed tactical picture of the air, ground, and sea. In the next version release of LifeRing, we have further enhanced this feature with the ability to hook air tracks and get their ADS-B data as well as a history trail. We will also have photorealistic renderings of buildings. Here I will zoom back into Hong Kong and now see incredible detail of the city, including buildings, streets, the waterfront, and the mountains in the background. I'll pan over and zoom in on London and see the Thames and the city on both sides, along with buildings, bridges, and parks. For more information of our LifeRing system, please visit our website at www.aegisinc.com.